In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share a document in Dropbox Paper using your desktop or web browser. Let's dive into the simple process of setting up your very own paper document and explore how you can enhance your collaboration with others. First things first, you'll need to sign in to your Dropbox account. Head over to Dropbox.com, and if you haven't logged in already, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, look toward the left sidebar menu. Here, you'll find the option labeled Paper. If it's not immediately visible, don't worry. You can click on the grid or apps icon and select Paper from there. With Paper open, you're ready to create your first document. Simply click on the Create New Doc button, or if you see a plus sign labeled New, you can click that too. This action will open up a blank paper document where you can begin to craft your content. Start by entering a title that captures the essence of your document. This helps organize your work and makes it easy to locate later. As you type, you can add text, images, code snippets, and even to-do lists. Dropbox Paper offers a flexible space for all types of content, so feel free to get creative with what you include. One of the great features of Dropbox Paper is that every change you make is automatically saved. Your document is stored securely in your Dropbox in the paper format. This means you never have to worry about losing your work. Plus, your documents will appear in your search and recents, making them easy to find whenever you need to revisit them. Now that your document is ready, it's time to share it with others. With your document open, look for the Invite or Share button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this button unveils several options for sharing your document. If you want to invite specific people, you can enter their email addresses directly. Here, you'll also have the ability to choose permissions for each person, whether they can edit, comment, or only view your document. If you prefer a more generalized approach, you can copy a link to the document, which can then be sent via email or chat. Before you proceed, it's important to configure the link settings to control who can access it. You'll need to decide if it's invite only or if anyone with the link can open the document. Additionally, consider what actions collaborators can perform with your document, whether they can edit, comment, or just view it. Once everything is set to your preferences, go ahead and send the invite or share the link. Your collaborators will receive access as per the permissions you specified, enabling a smooth and collaborative experience. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to create and share documents using Dropbox Paper. Thank you for joining, and happy collaborating.